Hi everyone! First of all, I wanted to give a special thanks to everybody who is watching my videos and for your continued support of my channel. Now then, for those of you that have been waiting for the release of my new cookbook, I'm pleased to announce to you that it's now available for purchase on Amazon. This is a very exciting moment for me, and full credit goes to Ryan and Lisa Mills for the technical support and editing that was involved in making this possible. If you are interested in a copy of this recipe book, I have provided a link in the description below that will take you directly to the Amazon page where this is available for purchase. And thank you once again for your continued support. I hope all of you are doing really well and staying safe out there, and I would love to hear from you about your plans for the holidays, so leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. So bye for now, and we'll chat soon.